know when you're recording.
So let it roll.
Yeah, I'm rolling.
You're rolling, yeah? Would you rolling? I'm joking. Alright.
Alright,
so
we're good.
First part of recording.
I'm at Fairground Fitness, and I am about to eat this carrot, yeah? So this carrot munch is gonna get munched. Start now, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Apparently carrots help you see in the dark, so I'll need that when I'm in you know those late night sessions, yeah?
Oh, he's doing great already.
Great.
I feel like people don't know how to eat carrots, isn't it?
You've got to swallow it though. It's always...
Bugs Bunny style out here. Hey, what's up, Dad?
My cheeks are nervous. It's gonna be like Ashley all over again.
This carrot got hairs on it. Every carrot, innit?
Oh, okay, fine.
How you doing for time?
Hold on, let me check. 41 minutes, 41 seconds.
And what's the time to beat?
High score is like 3 minutes at the moment.
Who ate 3 minutes? You!
I had 4.
It's not gonna be in 3 minutes, man.
Mine took like 10 minutes. It's, after a while, when you need the water, it gets to you. Doing great there, mate.
I got third of the way. We're alright.
Yeah, you're doing this pretty fast, actually.
I'm on my third now.
1 minute in. 1 minute 20 seconds.
This is when the trembles start happening.
Because it don't dissolve. It just like,
I know.
that's where it gets hard.
That was my mistake. I took a big bite.
Yeah. You got to chew it all, boy. You can't just swallow it.
There's textures to this, yeah? You gotta eat it in small pieces.
Yeah, that's what.
That's what you think.
Lydia Mock, I think it's Lydia Mock at high school. She's vegan, so she got more experience.
I reckon if you laced it with Ben and Jerry's, that'd be finished in one go.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
I'm joking.
2 minutes.
Ah, time ain't gonna be no 3 minutes. I ain't gonna be no 3 minutes with this, man.
I think it was 4 minutes. Oh, what did she get?
I don't know.
I think maybe 5. You might get lucky.
Got a joke.
It's gonna get militant on it.
That's something nice.
I don't know if it's the carrot that's making me sweat or is it the sun?
It's a bit both, boy.
Oh, your cheeks.
Forward, no.
Yeah.
2 minutes there.
Don't store it, man. Swallow it.
Yeah, that's what Ash did. He stored it all and then he nearly vomited.
Yeah.
He didn't swallow one
He
bite.
couldn't swallow any of it.
Yeah.
I think my tactic was to do it in the sun because it's kind of juicy, innit? So
Yeah.
get hot, get a bit of juice from the carrot. How we doing?
250.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, decent. Good. You can make it work. That's it, every little piece.
Heavy breathing.
3 minutes. Well,
Your cheeks are killing me already. It's them breathing. You can hear him breathing. Oh.
you're recording, yeah? Make sure you're recording.
Yeah.
So 3:30.
What's the longest time?
Well, Ash's DQ, so if you finish it, it'll be last. You won't be last place.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I'm
And
definitely under everyone.
And then Priya's like 10 minutes. Mark's like 10 minutes.
I don't mind losing to a vegan, that's fine.
Yeah. No, I think you might be here if you finish off enough. Oh man.
Oh,
What does it feel like?
It's alright. It's just there, it's on the cheeks. I can't seem to finish that part.
4 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm definitely not getting lost in the dark, though.
Yeah. I'll be able to go to bed tonight, bro. Is it done? Oh, shit.
Tell us when it's clear.
Mm-hmm.
Get ready, Jay.
There's so much of it in my mouth.
440.
Mhm.
Thinking about I've spent 5 minutes eating a carrot. It's crazy.
Nearly done. Right. Okay, we're good.
505.
Good times.
Oh, jeez, Zeus. How did you get there? Hello, mate. Want to meet Joe?
I see. That carrot munch got munched.
Now the next part is the munch of tortoise as well as chicken.
I don't think I'll get through the shell. I'm joking.
Bite your head
Oh,
off.
what's up, mate?
505.
You can hold him.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bicep card. Joking.